Welcome to the CPAP Shop's YouTube page. Learn how to disassemble and reassemble the Resmed AirFit X30i mask in this video. To disassemble, first start by squeezing the side buttons on the elbow and detach it from the frame. Then, undo the fastening tabs on the upper headgear straps and pull them out from the frame. Gently take the bottom magnetic tabs away from the mask. Grip the frame connector and lift the frame to unclip from the cushion. Repeat on the other side. Then, pull the pillows away from the oral cushion. And now your mask is ready to be cleaned or replaced. To reassemble, align and insert the frame connector tab into the cushion slot and press down until it clicks. Repeat on the other side. With the Resmed logo facing outwards and up, put the lower straps on the mask and insert the upper headgear straps into the frame from the inside. Attach the elbow to the top of the frame until it clicks and your mask is ready for use again.